Alright you guys, what is up? We are back with another video, and today we're going to be doing a video on this pretty much bone stock Camaro RS. Now I know, hear me out, it's a V6, don't get me wrong, it will, kick up and go. But we're just going to do a nice little review on this Camaro. So this Camaro comes with 300 ponies from a V6, which I know doesn't sound like much in these days and age, now we're getting 400 horsepower from an EcoBoost, but coming from a V6 that had only 200 crank horsepower, 300 horsepower is definitely something to be messed with. Something nice that I really do like about this Camaro right here are these caliper covers. Now, they are not a big brake package, but they are caliper covers. I do not want to say I had an influence on, but I do want to say these rear louvers are definitely beautiful. Compared to mine, mine are definitely just flat, just makes it look old school, but these are definitely some nice modern louvers on this Camaro RS. Here we do have some blacked out tail lights. Definitely not a big mod, but definitely makes the Camaro look a lot more aggressive, especially with this Plasti Dip emblem right here. This one came out beautiful, but let me go. It is perfect. Now, at first I thought it was a decal, but in reality, it is Plasti Dip. Definitely something that looks amazing. All right, now look at these door handles. Definitely something special right here. Look at this. Wish my Mustang came with something as special as that. The interior is definitely a little bland, but it's nothing terrible in my opinion. You got the nice little radio infotainment system right there. Got heater, AC, things like that. Got the e-brake here. And overall, definitely got not as good trunk space, but I mean, when you get a Camaro like this, you're not getting it for rear seat space. Excuse me, not trunk space. There's not too many modifications done to this right now. It is an automatic, but don't get me wrong, that does not take away from what it is. Right here, we do have some carbon fiber wrap trim on the vents, which is definitely a nice touch, in my opinion. You can see them right here. Hopefully we can get him on some nice carbon fiber overlays though. We got the speedometer here. As you can see, it is electronically limited at 160 miles per hour, which at my Coyote Mustang is also limited at 160. So I mean, mine is at 500 horsepower, his is at 300, but still, you still got same top speeds. Right here, red lines at 7,000 RPMs, very, very similar to mine. And one of my favorite aspects of this Camaro is definitely the key right here. You got it, and look at this. Boom. Switchblade style key. It's definitely something I wish my Mustang came with. Just push back the button and boom. Wish they had some nice, awesome covers for my Mustang. All right, something else that we got right here is look at these seatbelt covers. Definitely something that I need to get on my Mustang. But look at how these bad boys look. Once you got this on, especially if you got a nice thin shirt, don't want to hurt your nice neck and shoulder. Looks amazing right there. And now we're going to take a quick look underneath this V6 Camaro RS 2011. You gotta do what you gotta do. So what we got here, powering this 2011 RS V6 Camaro, is a 3.6 liter V6 with an advertised 312 horsepower at 6,500 RPMs with 278 foot-pounds of torque. Alright guys, these are pretty much some revs right here of this Camaro RS.
Yeah. Give like 5 revs. Give a couple baby ones and give a big 5.
Oh my god. That is definitely some gasoline.